Alright, what is up big dogs? We're currently Diamond 1 kalahati. We are aiming for Master, no, for today. So we've got like 4 stars left. Let's get it. Alright, game on. Grabe, ang sakit niya. Teka. Wala pa kasi tayong damage item mga boss. Uy, ingat kayo. Ang lalim nyo.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Mama! Putang ina! Come on, man. Don't clip that shit, bro.
An enemy has fallen.
Tang ina mo. Ganti ako, boy. Up! Mama! Fuck you, bitch. Uy! Ayun lang, mali.
Double kill.
Okay lang. Sige, tulak natin to para mawalan sila ng gold.
The Overlord and Tyrant have been unleashed. Tower shield. Unleash catapult.
Watch my 9mm go bang.
Hindi nag-proc agad yung move. Ala ka! Nakita ka! Aray ko! Gago, endable na. Tinapos na, boss. Wait lang. Pabasagin yan! Umabot pa yung tore natin. Okay, game 1. Good shit. Alright, people. Game 2. Grabe, nakachamba tayo. Hindi nila naban si Lam. Ay, si Lam, si Ogran. Si Lam lang naban nila.
So you make an entrance.
Wait lang. Double kill na ako eh. Wait lang, guys. Nice. Tara dito, guys. Dito, guys. Pang ina nyo. Patayan. Ay, hindi umabot! Grabe to, guys. Bugbog sila na bugbog. Bugbog. Ano, ha? Tangina nyo, ha? Basag lang.
Push successful. Enemy turret godlike. Push successful. Enemy turret legendary. Kill. Legendary.
Ano sa tingin mo kaya mo ako? You dumb.
Push successful. Enemy turret down. Legendary. Push successful. Enemy turret down. Total annihilation. Legendary. Double kill.
Easy! Tangina, diba? Sure win kapag Ogran. Tangina, binaban kasi lagi lang tsaka ito eh. Kaya tuwan-tuwa ako na nakuha natin agad. Matic MVP, pare ko. Nuke tayo. You know, isang star na lang guys. Mag-master na tayo.
And that's how you make an entrance.
Patay ka, boss! Ang ina nyo, double.
Killing spree.
Okay, patay. Nice! Oh hell nah, bro. Oh hell nah, bro. Fuck out of here, bro.
Rampage. Double kill. Push successful. Enemy
Aray!
down.
Dapat nag-ulti na ako dun.
say that you're fine. They're not really fine.
Ang sakit. Wait lang. Nice. Nice. Putang ina, nahuli ako.
Fallen. By your hands they fall. An enemy has fallen.
And
Spree.
double.
Double kill.
And double. Yes sir, sa wakas master na tayo. You know, master na din sa wakas. Anyways, thank you so much for watching guys. See you.